Hey folks, in this video we are going to cover clients and server in Node.js. So without further wasting any time, let's start. So what is client and what is server? So client is basically our PC or browser, and server is which is stands for handling request and response based on our request. So let's suppose we are on my browser and browser is sending some request to server, and server will handle this request and do some processing on the request and give a response to client. That's how client and server works. Protocols. So protocols is a communication rules that two sides agree to use when communicating. So for communication of two clients or servers, we need protocols. So protocols is containing a set of rules which are used to connecting two or more devices. So client and server is connected by socket. Client have IP and server have IP. So without IP address, you cannot connect to each other. So we need IP address and also socket. There are certain protocols like TCP, UDP, FTP. Let's understand what is TCP. So TCP is stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and TCP is Secure Protocol. TCP is Connection Oriented Protocol, and you can see in the figure that packets are small packets are there, and these small packets in TCP are sent to socket, and another socket of receiver will receive these packets from socket. There are ports in our PC, so a program running on a computer can listen for requests sent to a particular port number. So every process has a assigned a port number, and we can see a program running on a computer can listen for requests sent to a particular port number. So you can see here 300 is a port number. This is IP address 172.24.86.76. Jam 300 is a port number. So we can connect to particular port number for accessing some operations. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.